discovered something pretty cool about this painting. I painted it on it's a board, it's a gessoed board, and I normally paint on canvas, but I tried to approach this in a different way. And what I found out is that by allowing the white of the gesso to shine through, I get this really bright and brilliant color that I couldn't achieve with regular oil paint, or at least it would take me many, many layers. This is almost the gesso showing through. And I did the same thing with the face, whereas instead of building paint, I was kind of scraping away. And it's a very cool effect, and I'm always experimenting with painting and trying to teach myself something new, and this is very, very cool. And I hope you guys get to see this in person, because that gold really glows, and yeah, I'm very happy with it.